Well, hello guys and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm just getting Noah's breakfast ready. He's still a little bit under the weather. Hang on, you dropped your blankie. What do you drop that for? He wants shreddies for breakfast, so whatever he wants he's getting today because like I said, he's a bit under the weather. Oh, you want me to take your blankie? Oh, sorry, I didn't know. Shreddies, I think, is what he wants, so that's what I'm making. But that's what he pointed out at in the food cupboard. And then I'm going to get him dressed. I think maybe like just a snuggly day on the couch. It's very cold today, like there's frost still on the ground. I'm just gonna light the fire early today and we're gonna stay in. Keep him hydrated and then give him medicine for his congestion. He's coughing and sneezing. I feel so sorry for him. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna give him his breakfast. Some delay in here. Yeah. Bon appetit, baby. I need to do a serious clean of this house this weekend. We haven't been home much, so you know, obviously with me working. Okay, I'll take your Dodie. With me working, Paddy working and stuff, like just the house is just really cluttered, and I'm noticing like the oven here and the microwave are just in need of a clean. Also, the time was not correct there, just in case you're thinking it's like 7:45 in the evening. It's not. Like, look at this, fingerprints. And seriously need to do like a deep clean. Noah and I are watching Wally while I work. Lit the fire as well, so it's nice and toasty in here because he's sneezing, runny nose, the whole work, so I thought maybe keeping it all nice and warm here would be the best thing. And then I brushed my hair and put a tiny curl in it just to keep it the way it was yesterday because it looked so nice yesterday, and you know the way like when you sleep on your hair it doesn't look as nice. I look so tired. I didn't sleep well last night. I have no idea why. I kept like thinking I was gonna like sleep out my alarm for work, you know, like when some days you have days like that where you just think you're not going to get up. I'm still in my pajamas because yeah, I'm not even bothered getting dressed today. Please don't judge. Welcome back. I know I have crazy eyebrows. I decided to put a tint in them and yeah, it won't be this dark. It obviously looks a bit insane right now. Yeah, so what are we doing today? I think it's going to be like a very mundane like day. Shopping, cleaning, very fun, you know yourself. Noah's still a little bit under the weather, so I didn't vlog the last 2 days obviously because I was minding him. What we've been doing is just kind of keeping you hydrated, keeping you warm, lots and lots of cuddles and food and whatever he wants. And he didn't go to bed last night till 9:30. That was his own decision. In fairness though, we were watching the Argentinian game in the World Cup. It was very, very, very good. And we watched the Croatian game earlier in the day. So Croatia and Argentina are through to the next round. I'm not a big football fan, as you guys may or may not know, but I do like the World Cup. I like when there's like big competitions like that on it. Just I feel like it's, I don't know, I can get more into it, I guess. It's Baltic today. There's like ice on the ground, frost still, and it's just so cold. I think it snowed last night. It's really, really, really cold. Can't take myself seriously with these eyebrows, but yeah, it's very, very cold, and I don't know if anybody else is like me, but when it's cold I can't function, I can't do things. I struggle to like do the most mundane day-to-day tasks. I really find it so hard when I'm cold. The house is warm, like warming up, but obviously we only turned the heating on at like 7 this morning, 8 this morning, so it's still kind of kicking in. Battery died while I was mid-sentence. That's no good. It's gonna be just a really kind of boring day. I did receive a couple of H&M orders. I ordered like 4 outfits for my Christmas party. Oh, I know, I'm so extra. Like, who needs 4 outfits? I'm gonna return 3 of them, obviously. Probably the 4th if it doesn't suit, because I just don't know what to wear, and it's the first time I've been to a Christmas party in 6 years, so I have no idea what to wear. I don't know what like suits me. We've had COVID in between, so I have no idea like what to wear anymore to like Christmassy things. Yeah, so I just ordered a bunch of outfits. And the best thing about H&M is that like you can do the return and the postman comes and picks it up off your door. You don't even have to go and post it anywhere. It's brilliant, and it's free returns, so that's why I love shopping with H&M, because I just don't even have the time to go to like a post box or like the post office to drop off packages. It's just not part of my day-to-day thing. Yeah, I just ordered like, well, they're not 4 like full outfits. Like I have like bits and pieces to go with it, but I ordered like 1 pair of sequin pants, 2 sequin skirts, one's pink, one's black, and like 2 different tops to go like options, I suppose. And then I don't know, I'll probably end up wearing something I already own, and like I said, returning everything. I don't have any other Christmas events over Christmas. Like I don't have any other parties or anything other than like meeting up with my friends, which is probably just going to be like very casual. Like, you know, we all have kids now, so it'll be all like home in bed by 11. Sounds like so fun right now. The only thing that I'm really getting dressed up for over Christmas will be my Christmas party. And like my birthday, I never really do anything for it. We usually just spend it with the family. I haven't gone out in years on New Year's because I just can't be dealing with like trying to get home. If you go into town on New Year's, just you're not getting home until like the 2nd of January. Like don't even like attempt to try and get a taxi. It's just not happening. Obviously we're going to celebrate in our house for the very first time, so that's exciting. Okay, I'm going to take these brows off because I just can't even take myself seriously talking to you guys. Free prints arrived. I get these every single month. You get like 40. Yes, Noah, the Grinch is on again. Like I must have watched this about 6 times already this week. He just loves it, and I don't know why, because, well, I do know why. I like this movie too, but he's really loves it. It's been all we've been watching while we've been sick. Free prints, I get them every month. They're like a $5. They just charge you delivery, which is kind of like how much it would cost just to print off the pictures. But I got this beautiful picture of myself, Paddy, and Noah when he was just born. I'm going to put it into a frame over our, like on our shelving units, because I have other pictures up there, but I just really love this picture. It's my favorite picture of us. I think he was only like 2 weeks old maybe in this picture, 3 weeks. But I love it so much. It's just one of my favorites. So I got a frame for it, and I finally got it printed off. But yeah, when Noah was born, I made a like conscious decision to get photographs every single month. How many photos to be left on your phone? You never ever see them. And I think it's lovely to like pick up an album and flick through it, and there's pictures of him with his grandparents, and I just love it. It's not an ad for them, by the way. I just really love getting pictures every month. I just thought I'd let you know of like a, you know, a good, I'm sure loads of people know about this, but it's really good. Pictures of me and Noah out in our forest walks. I just love having pictures like this just to look at. Noah looking in at the dancing bears in Blanche. He loves them. All of the ground, but there's still some frost all over the garden. Look at all the moss here. We got our roof recently cleaned, that's why it's all over there. But yeah, frosty. And we got another Christmas card from Paddy's parents, which I'm so happy about because I love Christmas cards and people don't send them anymore. I'm going to send some this year, the neighbours and stuff, because I just think they're a nice touch. I've run out of Tassimo coffee pods, so Paddy's dad got me this and I haven't tried it yet. It's the Bewley's Brazil Fine Cup. I just opened it there. It smells lovely, but I haven't drank it yet. Caramelized sweetness with hints of chocolate. Sounds nice. We'll give it a go and see what it's like, because like I said, I already ran out of all my coffee pods from Tassimo. Kind of has a hazelnut scent, which would kind of make sense. Just might be the chocolate, hint of chocolate that's in it. So yeah, I'm gonna make this. I know it's a lot of coffee for one person, but yeah, we'll see. I don't know how strong or anything this is. Hopefully I'm not going to overkill with it. And I've no milk frother. I need to get one of them. I never even considered one, but yeah. Lovely coffee. So let's try this coffee. It actually smells so nice. It's really nice. It's very smooth, and it does kind of have like that like sweet taste off it, if that's kind of weird. Also, I took the stuff off my eyebrows and they're still really dark. It's so hard to see, the lighting's very bad. Yeah, they're still really dark. They'll fade. And I'd rather them be this dark now than like being extremely dark when I go out at the weekend. Yeah, I know, the Grinch is on again.
Did you take it?
Noah's favourite thing to do, the hoovering.
And this over here?
Oh, it's so good.
Boy.
I was dusting all around the TVs. There's like loads of fluff all over the floor. So Noah is hoovering it. I've decided I'm going to make some cupcakes today. I usually make them like every second week or try something different like brownies or whatever. Yeah, hopefully they turn out nice. And I'm going to put a jumper on because I'm actually freezing. Even though the heating's on and everything, it's just so cold today. What I love about cupcakes how simple they are. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter. Simple. Really easy to make, quick. They don't take much time and they don't take much thought process behind them. You just kind of do them, they're done. Looking good in there. I made extra amount just because these cupcake cases were quite big. They're done. They smell delicious. Them cupcake, oh, there's my timer just to say they're done. Just fit the cupcake holders. They're huge, so they were. And I made like extra big cupcakes, but yeah, they just fit in it. I'm happy with them. So I made some icing. It looks like scrambled egg, but it is actually icing. I'm gonna ice these when they're cool. They're still warm to touch. My hands are clean, don't worry. I'm not like touching other people's foods with dirty hands. I have washed them about 5 times, but more than likely I'll probably eat that one anyway. And now we're watching the Moroccan-Portugal game. Clothes drying on the radiator there because it's too cold to hang anything out. It'll freeze on the line. And we're doing some ironing. How fun. The joys. Little Noah's awake just after his nap. He had a very long nap, still a bit under the weather, so sleep is the best thing. And then we lit the fire. Still watching the match. I just paused it there because we're bringing the clothes up after ironing them, and I've just finished editing a video. I was supposed to have this up yesterday, but it took a little bit longer to edit it than I thought. So it's ready to go now. Oh, sorry. Don't mean to be yawning, but yeah, it's ready to go, so hopefully it'll be up soon. The Christmas tree is twinkling, Noah. Mommy must have put a different setting on it. Yeah, it's twinkling. Did you have a good sleep? They're iced. Please don't judge the bad icing. I am terrible at icing. I just can't get it to pipe out quick enough, and yeah, I'm just bad. Noah's crying because he wants one. You can't have one. You're gonna have your dinner now. He'll bite you. Yeah, we'll have them after dinner. I'll put them on a plate. I'm gonna start making dinner, and I'm thinking we might go with, Jesus, what's going on with my hair? I'm thinking we might go with some sweet and sour chicken for tonight. I just took chicken breast out to defrost. I don't know what else to cook, so I think, yeah, sweet and sour chicken is probably going to be the easiest, quickest thing. Last night we had an Indian, so I didn't want to get like takeaway again tonight because we normally only have takeaway once a week, if even that. So I'm gonna make, yeah, sweet and sour chicken, homemade sweet and sour chicken. But the main ingredient is, which I never knew this before, but it was apple cider vinegar. So yeah, that has to go into it. Okay, so these are all the bits I need for the sweet and sour chicken. That needs to go back into the other press. Oh, and my assistant is coming over with his stool that he brings over when I cook. Have it, I have it. Oh yes, I know. Mommy spilt mango chutney on the floor last night as well, I see. So just put the chicken breasts into a cornstarch mixture, and then they'll go into egg, and then they'll go into the frying pan. After you dip the chicken in the egg, then you just put it straight onto the pan. This looks mad, but it looks like a giant omelette right now, but it does turn out right, I promise you. There is the sweet and sour chicken. I hope I put enough sauce in it. I did make extra because I love very saucy food. I highly recommend putting pineapple into this. It makes it so much nicer. I just didn't have any today, so oh well. Sweet and sour chicken and rice, and then I just put Noah's here to cool down. Yeah, you can have this too. Finished everything for the day. All the ironing's done, cleaning, washing, housework. I'm sitting down now with a cup of tea in Paddy's cup he made me. And I'm gonna have one of these cupcakes. Very excited. They don't look the best, but they taste good, do they?
Oh.
Good. Yeah, they do taste good, even if I do say so myself. So we're just gonna watch the English match, and then I think we're just gonna chill for the night. So thank you so much, guys, for watching today's vlog. I know it was such a weird random one, there was like so many things going on, but I hope you liked it nonetheless, and I will talk to all of you guys in the next vlog.